welcome candidate number 3, Miss Helena Darna. The wedding is royal blue gown with silver sequins and tuba and labus sa kanyang frock.
Ano po habit serving? Ambitions. Become successful nurse.
Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Ang barangay. Ano to? Okay, thank you candidate number 3, Miss Helen Adarna. Next is candidate number 4, Miss Angel Locsin. Miss Angel Locsin is vital statistic 34, 36, 38.
Once again, candidate number 6. The number 4, Angel